Ba-dum-bum-bum. In this video, I'm going to make some carousels using Grok AI to create the copy, and then we're going to use AI carousels to create the actual carousels. To get started, I created a super prompt that is basically looks like this. So it says, you're a top 1% Instagram content expert specializing in one-person coaching businesses, solo coaches. That's who I help. So this is for me. Create an outline of 10 different high-perform Instagram carousel packs specifically for one-person businesses. Use the following frameworks. So these are the formats that perform well. So you want lists, how-tos, X and Y, controversial, trends and updates, open loops, lessons, stories, cheat sheet, day in the life. And then this is the format that we want it in for AI carousels. So this is AI carousels. And so that's the format. The CTA, the call to action is going to be comment free, and they'll get a free carousel. So if you comment free, I'll make you a free carousel. You will get a free carousel if you join my school group. You'll also get access to my weaponized Instagram course, and I'll make you a free carousel. But that's the call to action that's going to be on all of these carousels. And then it says each carousel must, and it's just some more instructions. And so I'll share this. This prompt's going to be in my school group as well, but that's the gist of the prompt. And I plugged that into Grok because we're using Grok for today, and we're going to see what it came up with. So I had to go back and forth a little bit. I had to add the CTA, but you can see it was just that prompt. Right here's that prompt. And so here's the output at the very bottom, gave us a bunch of carousels, and let's find the first one. All right, so here's the first one. So we're just going to copy it. There's going to be a better way to do this because I think it's going to be tough. Give me just the first carousel first. We'll simplify this and it'll give it to us one at a time. That's the way it's easier to copy. So grab this, all right, got it. Now we hop over to AI carousels, put it in there, and let's see what AI carousels comes up with. And we got to change the background image. So let's auto describe a background image. Let's generate with AI. So this is AI carousels. There's a link below this video if you want to use it to make carousels for yourself. This is my format, so go ahead and use this if you think it'll be helpful. And so let's see what it came up with here. So like a nice little person, good. And let's apply to all backgrounds. And then let's just take a look. 5 top systems every coach needs to know. Client onboarding checklist, content creation batch list, lead generation funnels essentials, time blocking must-haves, scaling tools and stack, Kajabi. I fucking hate Kajabi, excuse my language. School, because school's better. And I'm not even going to talk about Zapier because a lot of coaches don't need it. All right, it's a little bit simpler. Delegation shortlist, even solo. VA for social replies. I mean, we don't want VA. Freelancer for graphics, AI, delegation, even shortlist. Use AI for everything. This is right, delegation. Use AI for everything before you hire. Your turn to list it out. Implement this one list. Comment free to get a free carousel. See, that call to action kind of sucks, but let's review this carousel from the beginning. Top five systems, every solo entrepreneur client onboarding system. That's fair. Content creation batch list, lead generation funnel, lead magnet opt-in, lead magnet opt-in, email nurture series, webinar replay on loop. We're gonna delete that because I don't teach that. It does work. I don't teach that. Time blocking, use AI for everything before hiring. Your turn to list it out. Implement one list. So that one's okay. This CDA is not very good, but let's see if we can change the format and it makes it. That's probably the best one, probably white. And we'll make this a little bit thicker so you can see it. That's pretty good. All right, so let's download that. So that's the first one. First one was decent. We're gonna just get that thing ready to post. Create post, computer, carousels. All right, so that's pretty good. Right in Instagram description for that post. So I'll ask Grok to make an Instagram description, and then we'll start with the second carousel. So let's see, target 5 figures. Again, we're just gonna trust Grok on this. Bam. Oh, I don't love that the formatting's all messed up. We've got a couple M dashes in there. Just space that out. There, that's a little bit better. And then we'll share this right now. Might as well. All right, let's hop over to Grok again and say, whoops, give me the next carousel and the Instagram description. That way we can just do it in one prompt. All right, so let's see here. Outro, got it. Let's see how this one looks. And you wait patiently. All right, and then let's find auto describe, generate the image. Let's see what image it comes up with. Again, I like AI carousels. You can fine tune and but you don't want to spend a lot of time on these. You want to, as a single solo entrepreneur or a coach, got to get this stuff done quick so you can go help people or spend time with your family. All right. Oh, look at that guy. He looks like a good coach. All right. Let's find a format that we like. Purple. That one's pretty good. Okay, so how to land your first 5K client in 30 days. Coach like a pro. Solo coaches follow the step-by-step to attract payers with endless DMs. Swipe for the blueprint. See the steps. Define your niche and avatar. Identify 3 pain points that your niche has. Craft your bio that speaks directly to them. Okay. Create a magnetic offer. Package your expertise into a 3-month program. Price it at 5K for high-touch results. I don't disagree with that. Build visibility daily. Post value-packed reels 3 times a week. Use stories to tease your process. What about carousels? Use value-packed reels and carousels three times a week minimum. Use stories to tease your process. Okay. Nurture warm leads. Host a free masterclass, DM follow-ups. Yeah. Let's see. Let's say nurture warm leads in a free community. That's more what host a free community, follow up with personalized DMs and more and free trainings with upsells. Close the sale effortlessly. Discover closer calls, uncover the needs, deliver value, and upsell. Plant seeds for ongoing coaching, ready to execute. This is how to has helped me scale to 20K a month solo. There. Oh, this is messed up. See here. Comment free to get a free carousel. Want to sign your next client? Want to sign your first or next client in the next 30 days without chasing DMs or burnout? Comment free. Ready to execute. Man, this last page for a free carousel. Does that fit? All right, that kind of fits. All right, so this one's pretty good. Pretty good. I'm gonna make a couple changes here. Let's do at carousels for coaches. And then we're not going to have the founder on there. There we go. Good. I like that. Seems to be frozen right now, but that's fine. Let's download this. So that one's pretty good. Good. Let's download that. Get it ready to post. We'll grab the description, and I'm gonna keep this one up. I'll post it later. Oh yeah, these descriptions do not go in format like ChatGPT. So just a note, swipe right. This works even if you. All right, I'll just leave this up here and I will post it later. And let's get on with the third one. So share the third carousel for me and Instagram description, please. Always say please to AI because when they take over, you want them to like you. All right, let's see what this one is. Outro. And let's get a confident solo entrepreneur. This is going to be very similar picture probably. That's a woman this time. All right, group coaching versus one-on-one. Which is scaling faster? First, let's get all right, so I like this one's pretty good. Don't like this layout, so we're gonna just fix it. Group coaching versus one-on-one. Which scales your solo business faster? As a solo entrepreneur, pick the right model to hit 100K without burnout. Swipe to compare. Okay, we'll have this layout. I don't love it, but maybe get rid of that M dash. I don't love it, but we're just gonna go with it for now. Group coaching, choose wisely, coach. As a solo entrepreneur, pick the right model to hit 100K without burnout. Swipe to compare. Accessibility, group wins. Serve a group of 20 at once. One-on-one limits your calendar slots. More impact, less time. Could be true. Pricing one-on-one edges out. You can charge 10K per client. Group 2K per slot, but volume adds up. Premium feel, scalable revenue. Customization, one-on-one dominates. Tailored one-on-one advice. So especially if you're new, customization the earlier you are, the more customizable you can be. The later you are, the more systematic you want to be. But one-on-one, you can charge more, and because you can charge more, or you can customize more, and because you can customize more, you can charge more. So one-on-one beats it for customization. Burnout risk. Group lowers it. Group lowers burnout risk. That could be true. Group sessions, mini clients, one-on-one back-to-back. Yeah, one-on-one back-to-back calls can be really draining for a solo entrepreneur. So yeah, burnout risk is probably good. Authority building, both shine. Scaling potential, group accelerates. Group evergreen is capped by hours. So this one can be true, and I'm going to leave it in here because I think this carousel is good, but if you're doing one-on-one scaling and coaching, a lot of times you can, if you're doing a business coaching, you can do consulting for equity. And so you can turn those hours into long-term revenue and long-term passive income or long-term equity at least. And so let's see what the winner is. What's your winner? I blended both to build my empire, starting with what fits you. I haven't blended both. Well, I've done both. I've tried both. I guess that's fair. I blended you. Comment free to get a free carousel. Yeah, so this is good, but these calls to action aren't like you want it to be totally aligned. Awesome carousel, reason to get the carousel, but pretty good. Overall, I like it. So let's get it scheduled. All right, we got it downloaded. We're gonna go post, downloads, put it in the original, next, location, we'll say Denver, and then let me grab the description, which I'm gonna have to space out because the formatting's off, which I don't love, but I can improve that. Group or one-on-one coaching, which model, potential revenue. All right. That one's good. We'll just leave that up to post later today, and let's go over to Grok and get the third one. What is the third carousel and Instagram description? What is the fourth? What is the fourth carousel and description? All right, let's see how this does. So far, I like Grok. I think they're doing shorter. ChatGPT's been a little long-winded for carousels, in my opinion. Why most coaches are sailing and how to beat it. Okay. Yeah, Grok has better hooks, I think, which, I don't know. Use lots of AIs. See which one performs best for you. So again, if you're trying to do carousels, do 5 per week, 1 per day, or 2 per day if you're really moving fast. But if you're doing it like this, you can bust them out pretty quick. Ooh, that's the image they gave us, that angry coach. All right, we'll do that. And let's find a good, and let's lighten this up a little bit. All right, we'll do this one. Let's do one. We're getting closer, but I want the and how to beat it in one line, except not with stupid cursive. This one's pretty good. So why most coaches fail at scaling and how to beat it, change the norm, controversial take, hustler culture kills businesses, swipe for real talk on premium coaching. I don't like the myths. So when I see myths and it's like this slide and the myths don't align. So unless we add myths, 5 myths about scaling. Let's do that. 5. Why most coaches fail at scaling. Why most coaches, 5 myths of scaling and how to beat them. Why most coaches failing it. I'm not going to tweak this that much, even though I don't love it because it would be too much work to tweak right now. So we're just going to leave it and we're going to see how we do. Discover the myths. Okay. Myth number 1. More clients equals more money. Truth. Low ticket drains you, forces you focus on 5 premium clients for 50K months. Yes, so focus on a premium offer that will make you more money a lot faster. Daily posting is key. Truth. Quality over quantity. 3 strategic posts per week. Build authority. So yes, posting daily. You want to post more. If you're trying to get more clients, posting more is good. If you're a good coach and you're sharing good, valuable information, then the more you post, the better. There's no, just in my opinion. But yes, if you can post really, really high quality stuff, the problem that most coaches have is that it's a lot of work to create super high quality content, and they don't want to spend time working with editors. They don't want to spend time working with people that are creating their content. And even if even if their hires are creating the content, they still have to then manage that person, and they don't really like doing that. And so, if you are a solo business person and a coach, then you might want to have less quality and focus more on quantity. But I do not disagree with this. Obviously, the more high quality you post, the better, but it's a balance between quantity and quality. Niches limit growth. This is 100% true. The ultra niches are going to attract whales. Generalists get lost in the noise. So niche down, you want to be at least 3 niches deep. So, health, wellness, relationships are the 3 core niches, and then you're going to niche down, niche down. So 3 niches deep. Free content sells. The truth is that overgiving repels people, tease value, save gold for clients. Oh boy, I feel like I don't disagree with this. It's well, so yes, I do disagree with this. I think nowadays you should give everything away for free and help with implementation. So give all the stuff away for free, and then people are gonna ask you for help. So I think in today's world, free content is the best thing to generate leads, and it will produce more money for you. If you're holding back your secrets, somebody else on the internet is sharing those secrets. Like people know the same stuff as you. Maybe they don't. Maybe you're smarter than everybody else. But even if you are smarter than everybody else, it's better to put that stuff out there for free. So then people understand that you are at this top authority level and they're more likely to hire you. So free content sells indirectly, we'll say. Myth, solo means small. Truth, systems can let you scale huge. I've hit 100K alone with automation. Yeah, so that's true. If you use automation, we have a three-person business, but we're basically on cruise control right now. We're not creating any content. Everything's scheduled out, and yeah, we've been doing well over 100K a month for a couple of years now. Myth, burnout is inevitable. Truth, boundaries create freedom. Say no to protect your empire. Yeah, burnout is uh, not inevitable. Like you can create boundaries and you can create freedom, but that a lot of times people have to learn how to do that. They're not used to creating boundaries for themselves, and that through the process of creating content, you'll learn how to set boundaries. Flip the script on your biz. Dare to disagree. This mindset transformates my coaching game. Comment free to get a free carousel. So overall, I really like this carousel. I think that I don't like that again. Grok is struggling with bridging this gap with the call to actions, but it's also a tough task. So overall, I'd say like 8 out of 10. Let's get this one scheduled or set up to be scheduled. Then I'll do one more after this, and that'll give us a pretty good idea of what Grok can do. So create, post from computer. All right, grab the description or the caption and then edit it because it's not formatted properly. And this one's good to go. So we got three of them. We're gonna do one more. So let's say, give me the next carousel and description. Looks pretty good. Let's see how it does. Confident coach, staying with the tablet. All these descriptions are confident coaches. I might start putting something more interesting as a background, but trust in the AI gods to create good images and good content. And as we wait patiently, I'm reminded that I am out of coffee and I will substitute it for some nicotine. So let's see this confident coach. I mean, kind of looks confident. All right, 2025 coaching trends. Let's say 2026 because we're almost at 2026. Updates on AI personalization, brand, swipe for the edge. Let's say what's coming next. See what's coming next. All right, 2026 coaching trends. Let's mix up this font a little bit. That's pretty good. 2026 coaching trends, solo operators must know. Stay ahead, coach. Updates on AI personalization to keep your one-person biz thriving. Swipe for the edge. See what's coming next. AI-powered client insights. Use tools like ChatGPT for session prep, deeper results, less prep time. Hybrid coaching models. Blend live and asynchronous. Serve premium clients globally without time zone hassles. What the fuck does that even mean? All right, we're gonna go to the next one. Voice notes over calls. Yeah, voice notes over calls are big. Sustainability focus, eco-conscious branding, attract values, micro communities, foster loyalty, data-driven offers, track metrics. Man, this carousel sucks. We're gonna go back and update it. Make this carousel better. Talk about leveraging AI, robocalls, customer service agents, AI image creation, image and video creation, AI cold outreach. What else? AI customer, AI sales agents, and anything else they could leverage in 2026. All right, that carousel is terrible, so we're gonna make a better one. All right, future-proof your business. I like it better already. All right, let's see this new one, and let's get like a cool AI thing. 2026 trends every solo coach must leverage now. As a one-person coach scaling seven figures, these emerging AI tools, my secret to more clients, less work, zero burnout. Swipe to see these game changers. AI trends. AI session prep and insights. AI content creation explosion. Advanced image create pro reels, thumbnails, visuals in minutes. Agentic assistance. Handle scheduling, basic inquiries, AI voice agents for outreach. AI customer service bots, AI sales and closing agents. Much better. I'm gonna get a different background though, because I want it more techie. Let's see how this one is. It's a little better. Some jack dude in the back. I think I want to get rid of this and just, all right, and we'll go to, I'm just gonna change the color on that. All right, so let's go over here. AI prep tools like Claude to analyze client notes, generate personalized agendas and breakthroughs, cut the prep time by 80%. That's good. AI content generation, AI service bots, AI closing. I 2x my revenue. I wish we would stop making up stuff. AI leverage. Use AI leverage. Let's just say I use AI to create this carousel. Comment free to get a free carousel. That one's pretty good. And so let's download that. Downloaded. Go to Instagram. Great. And again, it's a little better if you post these from your phone, but it takes more time. So everything's a trade-off. Let's grab the description and then hop over here and let's fix this because it's Formatting's always off. Up and below. Just fixing this formatting. All right, that one's pretty good. Location, Denver. Bam. All right, so that one's good. So I got these four that are ready to go. Got five more to do. And again, if you want a free carousel, you can join my free Carousels for Coaches group. When you join, I'll tell you what I need in order to create a carousel for you. And then you also get access to my weaponized Instagram course, which is designed for coaches, make it really simple to weaponize Instagram to get more leads. And hope to see you in there. If you want to use AI carousels, there's a link below this video for you can try it. You can try it for free. And I hope to see you in the group. Have a wonderful day.